First of all, the hematite ore is extracted from the iron mines and are crushed and grinded through with the help of crusher and grinder, and are carried away in the good trains to the palletizing plant. Then the ore is Then the ore is palletized with the help of addition of binder, which is bentonite, and 14% of the moisture. The whole of the material is binded up and dropped into the palletizer. Then after the pallets have been formed, it is brought onto the roll belt, and with the help of this, they are poured into the conveyor belt of the blast furnace. In the conveyor belt, the coke and the flux like CO and SiO2 are added, and then these materials are charged into the blast furnace. Then from the gas stove, hot air is blasted into the blast furnace with the help of tuyers through vessel main pipes. All the reactions of the blast furnace takes place in the Bosch area, which is the hottest part of the blast furnace. All the reduction of iron takes place into the blast furnace. Now the slag comes out through this notch of the blast furnace, and molten iron comes out through this notch of the blast furnace. Then the molten iron form is taken into the basic oxygen furnace of the steel making shop. Then the molten iron is poured into this, and through the lands, pure oxygen is blown into the basic oxygen furnace. Then with the help of the oxygen, the iron is purified from such impurities such as carbon and flux like CO and SiO2, etc. Then this pure steel is poured into this ladle, and with the help of cranes, it is taken into the top of the continuous casting shop. Then, with the help of continuous casting, the molten steel roll sheets are formed, and finally we get the molten pure molten steel. Thank you. Recording.